Hole punch or
What's up, guys? This is an unboxing video, and I'm on the phone with...
I'm doing it. Oh, yes, it's me, the big pumpkin bit.
It is me, the big Elizabeth.
Also known as my school bus driver is known as Great Queen Elizabeth the Great.
Okay, what did I just say right there?
Weather radio guru.
And
Nazi Baka.
Where is it pointing at?
it's pointing at you, Twister.
Twister.
And Prince of Shadows, or SBC Jefferson.
Jefferson, where the hell are you? I can't hear it.
Oh.
So let's go ahead and see what's in here.
You got them up, bottom, G.
Let's freaking go.
Alright. Yeah, this is a replacement for my 12262, which its decoder stopped working, and I kind of broke it more with the antenna wire.
Oops for that.
Oh, by the way, I'm gonna give some spoilers though in this. I'm gonna tell you which song I'm listening to. It's hold on.
Let's show it to us. Go ahead and show it to us in a private setting.
Alright.
Alrighty.
Arcade by Duncan Lawrence. Shut it, mate. I'm listening to
Nope,
Arcade
I
by
see.
Duncan Lawrence.
That's his newspaper that's underneath that.
Hey, that's a scale!
No, that's how it was packaged.
No.
Oh, jeez.
Well,
It
hey,
was
at least the seller
big
gets a good
piles of
pack.
suck. Yeah, alright.
That's a scale.
Okay, I'm gonna have to set the camera down for this.
Wasn't this radio package in big piles of socks?
Oh gosh.
Bruh, it really has the apple bottom jeans. Wait, there was something else in it. They sent you free socks!
Bruh.
Bruh,
It's
glass
the food
reveal!
from me.
Glass reveal!
My goodness gracious, guys.
That's disgusting.
Oh, it's the power adapter.
I need a new one, please. Can you see that?
Now for the radio itself.
Hell, you can use your T-Shift's or the AC adapter.
Which is in a wolf fart bag.
Oh gosh.
Oh, it's wall start. Get it right.
Alright.
It's well followed. You did it right.
Drum roll, please. Here it is.
There it is.
That's a scam. That's not an
That's
Recom.
It's literally a scam right here.
Bro, you were supposed to get Reecom Recon.
What the
Not
heck?
that. That's a scam.
Scam.
Okay, I'm gonna have to do a lot of editing with this.
You don't have to make it.
It's a R-1650D.
Please upload the uncut version first.
Hey, you wanna know what the date stands for?
Yeah, go ahead. Oh, and look who joined.
The big state from Wilmington, Ohio.
You're a
Yeah.
little late.
The preceding signal was attached to the National Weather Service from Wilmington, Ohio.
The preceding signal is attached to the weather
Haha.
radio
Yes.
And to those who it is Wilmington, Ohio EAS.
You mean the
Wilmington sucks!
Yeah.
And go ahead and start pressing every button.
What
It
more
looks
can I
quite
say?
small to me.
Hey, you wanna know what you get for extra credit? Lifting the end
I got a
of
feeling
it
it's
up,
gonna start
extending it, and
The
then
boom's gonna start flexing.
extending it, and then just put it back on the end hole.
Oh, you really think so?
Yep.
Imagine Recon Recon.
What?
Cool.
Well, the only thing is, Kaboom does not have a
No.
Recom.
John. What I want you to do is lift the antenna.
I don't have a Reecom either, but that might be my next radio.
You should definitely get
Okay, I am not gonna show that to the camera. No, thanks.
What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it? What is it?
This is something I should not say because it.
Hey yo, this is a PG family
Try to
show.
keep it family friendly.
You don't need to show some
Like I do most of the time.
All right.
Like your mom does. Wait, what?
Let's go ahead and see
Bro,
if
hey,
there's any
hey.
batteries in there.
no, hold on.
There's no batteries in it, thankfully.
Oh, okay.
You wanna know what you need to do, John?
Yeah.
Last thing I would do is
When
throw
I
it
had
out.
a
Battery literally explode.
John.
Yeah, it exploded. It exploded.
Oh my God! You're about to break my rule,
Yeah, you are.
John.
Yeah,
Stop breaking my
remember kids,
rule.
don't leave the batteries inside
What is
electronics for too long.
Yes.
Okay,
Don't
flip
let the
over.
batteries
Flip the
inside
radio
your
back over.
electronics. That's your lesson.
Lift the antenna.
Yes, like the antenna.
Extend it.
Be careful with the antenna, especially on the top
Unextended?
end. Because I bet that.
Oh, I gotta
tip
be
of my
careful
antenna
with
might
this
stand
because I'm
shake
having a
one
feeling. I got this used, and I'm having a feeling it's kind of starting to get a little antenna arthritis.
Okay,
Oh.
now unextend it.
It's better
Unextend
than my
it.
running snail, though.
Yeah, it's
Listen to
better
me,
than-
Lebowski.
You mean it's better than
Lebowski,
Landon's running
listen.
tail?
And then just basically put it back in the antenna holder. There you go. There's your extra credit.
All right, now I'm gonna go ahead and put the batteries in it.
But you don't have to flex on us with your red one.
Hey, I know one that modded that.
Apple bottom beans, get your
You're
mom.
262,
So I can do
WX
a big flex on you, but I don't feel like doing it right now.
and the Midlands.
I want
Yes,
to.
the
I
Midlands.
want.
All right, here we go.
Make sure the radio works.
Oh, I could
That's the radio I want, actually. I'm not jealous of you or anything because.
And the relative humidity was 78%.
Bro,
Oh my god.
I'm jealous. My Recon doesn't even work. Would this be a
This
AM FM
feels
radio now?
weird moving from side to side.
Yeah, this sure does still feel weird.
I got a feeling that the antenna on the from board to towards me and going back towards my monitor, it's gonna be like flopping up and down like in what Kaboom did in the
Someone said you got the
in the
method
chat
bottom
room
jeans
earlier.
boots with that
What did he say, mister?
Yo, what did he say?
Yeah, what did he say?
Yeah, as I'm currently
Gas can.
fail.
I got the statement. I got the statement, Reecom.
John, I'm going.
Aka
I
the
want you to
prototype.
put this- I want you to put this on camera so you can trigger Norfolk so they can just learn for that one and warn to anything. Whoever.
Button beeps ASMR, I mean what?
What?
The pretty
yeah,
yellow
you're kind of
walkway.
right. You're kind of right. That's ASMR. so
Thank-
shit.
Give me a second while I put the battery cover back on.
Put your butt cover back on, boy.
Nice.
I just had massive dyslexia.
Oh yeah, to those that are new to me, Kakert had a Reecom, but it unfortunately went on him. So I was thinking, why not give?
You don't have to be toxic about it, my guy. Like.
Yeah, I'm just saying, like, you never know though.
Hold on, this is Kakert answer to a dead Reecom.
Whoa. It's supposed to be friendly. This is supposed to be family friendly, my guy.
No, it's
Yeah.
not.
I did not have the camera aimed up at it, so it's all right. Inter-county.
Inter-county? I know what county you live in. You live in Duluth.
I think my next radio is probably going to either be a Reecom or a WR400.
You wanna know what my
All right,
radio
alert
is?
mode.
Do you wanna know what my next radio is gonna be?
Because the Reecoms are one of my favorite weather radios.
What K part?
Oh, hell yeah!
Okay, here's where it gets a bit loud here, because I'm on siren volume now. So be alert.
My next radio
Here,
will be
brace yourself for the siren.
I think noise suppression is on.
Yeah, I didn't hear that.
Yeah,
Five would
so.
be
Voice
best.
suppressed.
King.
Could you guys hear the siren on my Reecom?
No.
Nope, not at
Let me
all.
fix that.
Not at all.
Go ahead and enable all the alerts.
I studied like I'm looking in my head. My next radio is going to be a WR300D UELXE Deluxe.
Oh yeah, go ahead and check this out.
Can you hear it now?
Yes.
Can't watch. Damn, I didn't know that was a
Watch.
I'm about to make a pun on this. A damn watch. Damn, I didn't know they made watches.
Let's see
like
the
that.
pretty
Yeah,
green statement lights.
Wait,
That's
let me
what
check
I'm
my.
It's not a. Oh, you're talking, Emma.
Blood. Just blood.
Oh yeah, that is Guru's
What?
prototype Recon there.
What? Blood?
Blood.
Bruh. Blood.
But
Hold
someone
on,
disabled
hold on.
flood
Let me-
statement
let
on
me-
here
let
on
me
this
take a-
one.
Let me take a screenshot of that.
Yes,
What?
my WR does have a damn watch.
Bruh, don't all of ours have a damn watch?
Yeah, pretty much every single radio has that on alert on the alert blocking.
Why is it a tsunami avalanche? What's a tornado? I'm guessing. Severe thunder!
Severe weather. Special weather. Weekly test. Monthly test. What?
Good.
And then thunderstorm. Just regular old thunderstorm.
Power outage advisory.
Yeah, this one isn't that bad.
Yes.
Wait, no,
Yes.
wait, John, it's coincidence
Oh.
with POS.
Oh boy.
Advisory for you.
Which Clay thinks it doesn't exist anymore.
Bro, John.
Yeah.
Oh,
Show me the money, Lebowski.
yeah.
God,
Yeah, pretty much everything's enabled.
dead.
Alarm socket.
Back alive,
switch.
alive, dead, alive, dead, alive,
Siren
dead,
test.
alive, dead,
So
alive.
here we go with all the sirens on the
Instantly
Recom.
dead.
Noise suppression, noise suppression.
Hold on. If you keep spamming,
Alright, then.
so it says like test, warning, lock, advisory. You get a cool ice cream sound.
And that's the alarm clocks, which I'm not gonna, and a sleep timer. I'm not gonna need that. And it's pretty much all set up.
6 p.m. Central Daylight Time.
Bro, it's like
Now here is the hazardous weather outlook for portions of north central Illinois, northeast
Yeah.
Illinois, and northwest Indiana.
howdy trifling.
So that is the unboxing video on the Reecom R-1650D. This is John Deere Fan 725,
Hey!
along with.
Elton John. Yeah.
Weather radio guru.
Yeah.
Music.
Yeah, play it.
Kakert,
Elton John.
Wilmington, Ohio EAS, aka don't.
Hey, I didn't say my name. My name is Kakert.
My name is
Oh,
Mr.
boy.
Suitcase.
Uh,
And that's all I
Ryan
have to say.
Katie would be triggered to hear that.
Mr. Suitcase.
Why?
I'm gonna have to do some more editing with this. I'll leave the descriptions. I'll go ahead and leave the description for all these
Bro,
guys that are in this chat.
Blaney's on fire.
I want you to
Thank-
upload the uncut version of it.
Yes. Upload the
Unlisted.
unedited. Upload the unedited. But make
Yeah, upload the unedited version, please.
yeah,
Make
but
it
make it
flat.
unlisted. Make it unlisted. Make it.
Yeah,
unlisted.
I'm gonna be doing it that way.
The one with the very weird T logo is me, who happens to upload a Thunderstorm Madness video.
A Mr. Wait, what?
What?
This video is over 15 minutes already.
Twisted
Yeah,
wires.
It
Wait,
is
what?
over 15
Boys,
minutes.
ad revenue.
I'm not that number of subscribers yet to get ad revenue.
Reecom.
Oh boy.
Let's get you up there, dude.
Alright.
Oh,
Thank you for
yeah,
watching.
bad one.
I'll leave these guys' links in the description. Thank you for watching.